Okay, this is our second Vekoma Boomerang of the trip. This one is basically just called Boomerang. And it starts... It is Sarah's number 90 coaster. So she has done 40 new coasters in a week, but this is where it gets a little bit complicated. Since we have done Plopsaland before, the count didn't change. So for the trip, this is number 46. I think it is. Yes, it is. So if you were wondering what we were talking about, is that if you're only watching this Onride, there is a full vlog from Bellewaerde Park. It's also a full vlog for every single trip that we have, park that we have been to, which is, as it looks like right now, going to be 17 in total. Great view of the park here. I'm not gonna show you, because here we go. This is Boomerang at Bellewaerde Park. The catch for the chain lift hill is awful, but I have to tell you, it's kind of soft.
Yeah, it was soft.
Yeah, a nice ride. Yeah. We're gonna see how it is backwards, but forwards it was great. You can see some rain coming over there. No! Woohoo! Nice loop. I like that. That's a really good Boomerang. I like it. Well taken care of, I guess. There we go.